Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank all of you who are able to subscribe. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I upload a video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change improper fraction to decimals. And today, improper fractions are fractions that have like a numerator that's big and a denominator that's small, like 2 or 3 or 4 or 3, like that. So we are gonna divide this, divide this. So 3 must go here and 5 must go here. So the upper number, we are gonna use long division. If you don't know long division what it is, it's simply like the number that's being divided. It's 5, right? The top number must be like on the right, and then the number that is dividing the other number must be on the left. So you put something like this. If you know it, it's okay. So just keep it and go to another part. So yeah, so if it's like that, and so how you know that this can be divided, right? So 3 by that, there's 1, right? 1, there's a 1. So 1, you pull 1 times 3, and then it's equal to 3, and then you subtract from 5 and it will be 2. You can't divide 3 and 2, right? Because 3 by 2, no, 2 by 3 is impossible. So you must put a decimal point. No, yeah, you must put a decimal point and then add a 0, and it will be 20. So 3 in 20s, it will be 16, it will be 18, no, it will be 6, no, 3 times 6 is 18, so it will be 6, and 6 times 3 is 18, and then it will be 2, and then there's a decimal point, there's a decimal place that is next to 10th, so it's 100. So we must put 2 zeros, and here it's like 0, and then when it's 20, it's 6. Then you carry, no, you start from here, then you carry 2, then it's also 6, then you carry 2, and it will be 2 out of 3, like that. So it's 66. Oh my gosh, that's a satanic number. It's that, so, and then a half of it, like that, and so it goes on, and it always been 1.6, like 1.6, going forever. So it's a repeating number, so I don't know what to do. So 16 out of 10. Yeah, so if you reduce, yeah, it can be that, yeah, it's 16, no, it's 6.2, so it will be out of, when you this it will be 8. See, so I think I messed up with, I messed up, yeah. So let's do it again. This is 3 5, no, 3 5, then it will be 1 point, and then 3 times 1 is 3, and then 2, and it's impossible, but 0. So 0 times 3 is 0, and it will be here 2, and then there's a 0, so 0, 20, and then 6. 6 times 3 is 18, and then 2, and then after that there's 2 zeros, so 2 zeros to be 3 times that to be like 66. They are like a half of it, so if it's 0.66, don't know why, but 0, no, it's 1.06, and then repeating 6, so you must put that, then it's 0, 0 like that, and then right of what, of 3 out of 100. Then when I put a decimal point, it will be right there. So yeah, mathematics, long division can be hard, but you can figure it out. So let me do like simple one that you can understand well, and it's not repeating. So it can be like 7 or 2 like that, and it's 2, 7, and how many 2s are in 7? There are 4. No, there's 3. So 3.2 is 6. So it will be 1 and point, and then you add a 0, and then it will be 5, and then 5 times 2 is 10, and then 0. So you can't do anything when you reach at 0. So the answer will be 3.5, and then 3.5 out of 10, right? And then when you simplify it like by 5, by 5 this is 2, by 5 this is 7. You see, when you reduce it by 5, it will be by 5 7, by 5 2. So to change this, so it's 7, no, so 7 out of 2 is equal to, no, is equal to 3.5. So that's the first one was difficult because it had repeating, and I mean repeating numbers, and those like 6s they repeated. So yeah, I had to do this one because like it was easier. So if it's like 5 4, so 4 or 5, so it will be 1 times 4, it will be 4, and then 1, and then you put a decimal point, and then a 0. How many 4s are here? 2, so 2 times 4 is 8, and then 2 first one, so excuse me for that. How many 4s are in 200? Then you must like do the cancelling thing. 4 by is 20, and then 50, so there are 50 4s in 200. So it will, you put 50 here, and then 2, you put 50 times 4 is 200. So when you subtract, it will be 0, and when you reach at 0, you just stop right there, and it round it up. It will just be 1. I'll teach you, no, I'll bring a video about how to round up numbers, and just click this little bit to be notified when I post it on, and it will be 1.25. so if you change this to be how many place values are 3, so it will be 1000. So if there is no 0, it will be 0, like that. And when you reduce it, let me say is by 4. Now I know that it will get the same number like this, the same one, I mean the same one. So I'll figure it out. So I don't know, but it's this one is equal to 1.20 by that number. So thank you for clicking on my video, and I really appreciate it so much. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and click the little bell, because you won't like missing you won't like missing more math lessons. And thank you very much for clicking on my video. Thank you.